What's up everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome to cryptobull. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can stake your crypto, primarily Ethereum, to earn some passive income, what platforms can you use, how much profit can you make, what staking strategy is ideal for you, and I will also be briefly discussing the difference between solo staking and creating your own node or subnode, how many Ethereums do you need to start staking, and is there any risk involved in staking or not. So let's jump right into this. All right, so there are two ways you can stake your Ethereum or your crypto in general. Number one is liquid staking, and number two is node staking or solo staking. The primary difference between both is that for liquid staking, you can stake any amount of crypto in your wallet. Doesn't matter if you have 32 Ethereum or not. Whereas in solo staking or node staking, you need to have minimum of 32 Ethereum in your wallet. Now, I assume most of the people who are watching this video will not have 32 Ethereum in their wallet. So I would recommend majority of you to go for liquid staking. Liquid staking can be done with as low as zero point 0.1 ETH. And when it comes to liquid staking, the best platform that I have personally used and I still use is Lido. Lido is the biggest platform when it comes to liquid staking, and they can provide 3% annualized return on your investment. Simply put, if you have 100 Ethereum and you have staked 100 Ethereum with Lido, at the end of the year, you will have 103 Ethereum. They're stable, they're reliable, and it is trouble-free. You just need to stake your Ethereum once, and every single day, the rewards of your staked Ethereum will automatically come to your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you are using. To start staking, simply go click on stake button right here. And from here, my wallet is connected. I believe I have some Ethereum in my wallet. I have 0.61 Ethereum at the moment. And if I want to stake, I will just set the amount here. In this case, I'll just click on max and then I will click stake. And just like that, my Ethereum will be transferred to Lido and they will be staked. Now, the second question is most of the people ask me if it's safe to stake their Ethereum. The short answer to this is yes, it is safe because when your Ethereum is transferred to Lido or any other platform for that matter, you will receive another token called Lido staked Ethereum, or in short, it is called STETH. So this is the token. This is 1:1 to the Ethereum value at any point. And even if you are unable to unstake your Ethereum later from Lido or any other platform, you can simply go ahead and sell your STETH tokens on any decentralized exchange. They will be 1:1 to the Ethereum value. Now, the second type of staking is called solo staking, or in which you will be creating your node or subnode. I'll be explaining what that means. For that, I will always recommend a platform called Rocketpool. They do have an option for liquid staking as well, and they are providing 3.23%. You can go ahead and check this out. The process is exactly the same, and you can unstake from Lido or Rocketpool whenever you want. It can be one day after you start staking, or it can be 10 years after you started staking. But when it comes to solo staking or node staking, you need to have a minimum of 32 Ethereum in your wallet. Now, again, most of the people will not have 32 Ethereum. So Rocketpool provides a service in which you can create your subnode with just 8 Ethereum. So for instance, if you have 8 Ethereum in your wallet, you can create a subnode, and similarly, other people who have 8 Ethereum will pitch in their 8 Ethereum, and this will create a new node on the Ethereum blockchain. The major plus of node staking is that you will be getting a much higher return, that means 6.5 or roughly 7% instead of 3% in liquid staking, but it comes at a cost. You will have to spend a lot of money for VPS. There's a lot of responsibility that there shouldn't be any downtime. You will have to maintain the network. And if there is some downtime, you will be penalized by Ethereum network. I personally know a lot of investors who have created their node or subnode and they were not able to maintain it in the right way, and Ethereum actually penalized it and they ended up losing money. So liquid staking is the king for most of the people because this is hassle-free. You don't need to maintain anything. In short, there is no responsibility, whereas in node staking, there is a lot of responsibility and cost involved. But if you're someone who wants to take up the challenge, simply go to what is node staking, and at the bottom, you can click on learn more. Here you will be seeing the Ethereum rewards as compared to RPL rewards. RPL is the token for Rocketpool. So if you're staking your Ethereum for RPL, you will have a higher return. This is the basic calculator where you can set the priority fee, etc. You can play around with it based on the Ethereum you have, and you will be able to get an idea of how much profit you will be able to make at the end of the year. Typically, it is between 6 to 7%, whereas if you go with RPL tokens, you will have 9.11%, which is extremely high. If you're interested in knowing what are the costs, simply go to the bottom and click on Learn More. And here you will have a complete set of solution. They provide a turnkey solution as well, which is hardware based, as well as cloud staking, in which you can invest in a stable VPS or virtual private server, a node service, and this will be much more simpler for most of the investors who are interested in creating their sub node or mini node. When it comes to the responsibilities, there are quite a few, and I can actually break it down for you quickly. So you'll have to go with the initial setup, you'll have to maintain, which is the toughest part because no matter what happens, you have to maintain and make sure that the network stays updated. You will have to monitor it pretty much daily. It's not plug and play and forget about it type of solution. There is a lot of responsibility when it comes to monitoring and maintaining. If you want to know step-by-step process on starting with node staking, then go ahead. At the bottom, you will be able to see the process. Here it is. And this can give you step-by-step guide on from step 1 to step 10, how you can set up your own node, what are the requirements, what are the costs. You can calculate everything. There are a few videos on YouTube available where people have set up their cloud-based staking from start to end. But for most of the people, liquid staking will be the primary option because it does not require 8 Ethereum or 32 Ethereum, or it does not have any responsibility. You just need to stake it once, and every single day the profit will be sent to your MetaMask wallet. It's a great way to make some passive income where you don't have to do anything at all. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.